Namaskaram, Jai Ho. I bring you greetings on the Sivadan Showtime from the Sunshine State in Florida. This video is recorded in Florida, Central Florida. As usual, we want to wish all of our Facebook friends a happy birthday, those who celebrate their birthday during the week and celebrating today. We want to wish you a happy birthday. And to those who are celebrating their anniversary, we want to wish you a happy anniversary. You know, the clock is ticking for next year tours. We don't have much time. We are in December. And our tour will start from March next year, going to India every month. We will be visiting North and South India. We will have two segments of tours. One is a pilgrimage tour, primarily pilgrimage, and the other will be a mixed of visiting holy places and cities, big cities, metropolitan cities, villages, and so forth. Of course, we will wine and dine you in style. Yes, we'll be going to North and South India. If you have not visited the Kerala area, then we will take you there and we will do the backwater ride with you, where you will be traveling through villages, canals and lagoons and so forth, and you will be able to house yourself into a luxury houseboat hotel. Yes, we will stay there, we will sleep there one night or perhaps 2 nights. So it will be a wonderful treat. Give us a call. Our number is 718-843-6200. Our tours to Europe, we have fantastic packages for Europe. We have Grand Europe Tour, and that's the Star Tour, 16 days and 15 days, and 14 nights. That is the visiting 9 countries, including the Vatican City. We also have Amazing Europe Tour, which is a 10 days, 9 nights. We also have the Eastern Europe Tour, that is 12 days and 11 nights. We also have tours to Switzerland and Paris. What does that mean? That if you have visited those tours mentioned earlier, then you can do the Switzerland and Paris tour. We also have Australia and New Zealand tour, Japan and South Korea tour, Vietnam and Cambodia tour. We have Far East tour. So we have lots of tours and planned for next year, and we are thinking to do a tour to Guyana. Working on it. It's not materialized yet. Our number is 718-843-6200, and our office number, that is at 718-843-6200, and my number is 917-833-4811. Call and ask for Sivadan, and I will be able to send you our itineraries with costs. We have payment plans, and we have also early bookings. On each one of our tour, we have a tour manager and a reputable, knowledgeable tour guide. So give us a call, and remember one thing: put your business in the hands that you can trust, and that is the Sivadan Tours. 917-833-4811. That's the magical number. And the office number is 718-843-6200. You can also call to make bookings for traveling any parts of the world. If you want planning to do a vacation, if you're planning to do a honeymooners package, yes, we can do that. As I said earlier, there are no tours too small for us to handle. We can handle small tour, couple tour, and large group tours. So give us a call, 917-833-4811, or office 718-843-6200. It's a beautiful day here in Florida, with a few sprinkle showers in the evening. The song that I am going to render is only for entertainment, and it's dedicated to the Divine Lord Krishna. So let's do it. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva. Babu Swami Saka Hamare, He Narayana Vasudeva, Babu Swami Saka Hamare, He Narayana Vasudeva, He Narayana Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, Shri Krishna Govinda Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Narayana Vasudeva. Ashutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramo Narayanam Janki Vilamam. Ashutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramo Narayanam Janki Vilamam. Ramo Narayanam Janki Vilamam. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, Narayana Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, Narayana Vasudeva. Ashutam Keshavam Ram Narayanam Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Hare. Ashutam Keshavam Ram Narayanam Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Hare. Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam, Shri कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। कौन कहते भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मेरा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मेरा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं। तुम मेरा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, माया सोचा बुलाते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, माया सोचा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं। माया सोचा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। जय श्री कृष्ण।